YouTube, we have a master class on the faux hawk. We're gonna teach you how to do this step by step and have it come out perfect. First thing you have to do is get the long hair. If your client has longer hair, get it out the way, use your clip. Now how I would like to start this is by detailing around, because we're kind of like gonna burst fade it a little bit, you know. So I want to kind of clean the edges up just so that my canvas that I'm gonna fade into looks right. You see the sign. So as always, when you're doing a skin fade, you gotta skin something. So we're gonna skin the bottom. We're gonna go around the ear. Now we're gonna follow it up with our UV Babyliss shaver. Now we're gonna use the trimmer to take out the shaver line. And use both of these tools to take each other out and to help one another. So you go back and forth, shaver, trimmer. Don't take it too high. Use the corner of the blade, use the corner of the shaver. Go down with the shaver, go against the hair with the shaver, go with the hair with the shaver. Practice with the shaver trimmer combination and you'll master taking out any line. Now we got the Snap FX. We're going to start our first guideline, blade all the way open. Go ahead and detail the beard while you're here because you're going to have to do it later. Now we're going to close the blade and we're going to knock out that first line. Don't worry if you can't get it all the way out. We're going to work on it. Now we're going to use a trimmer. Back to the shaver. And those two are yin and yang. So if you're having trouble taking lines out of haircuts, start playing with those guys back and forth. Now here we're just going to do a little detail work and we're going to clean up that space. We're not going to go any higher. We're not going to take it up too high. We're just going to slowly detail that little 1-inch line guideline that we made. Now we're going to use a 1.5 guard close. We're going to create our second guideline. Now we have our half guard open and closed, and we're going to go in between the 1.5 guard and the blade open, and we're gonna do our best to smooth those together. We're gonna blend those two areas together. Now we have our 1 guard and we're gonna go over those areas as well. Taking our time, slowly working, not rushing anything, making sure the haircut comes out detailed. We're gonna line his beard up, so we're gonna just take out those top hairs. Here we're just cleaning around the mustache. Finally, we're gonna do our last little bit of corner blade of the trimmer to finish up the fade part. Now we're gonna conjoin the long hair with the fade, and we're gonna start off with the thinning shears to just debulk the area a little bit. Now we're going to go back with our guards and finish up the job. Now we're going to come in with my favorite Tomb 45 product, the 3 cartridge razor. If you want a review on it, leave it in the comments section. I'm going to pull the skin, go straight down, pull the skin up, straight down with the razor, not going in front of the thumb, not going too far ahead of where the skin is stretched, straight down. Here we're just going to go over the loose hairs with the trimmer. Not the trimmer, the clipper. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, guys. Subscribe for the hard work. We're just going to detail around the beard. We got long hair back here, so we're just going to clean up around the neck hair. We're going to let the long hair do its thing. We're not going to cut any of that. I just recorded one half. Let me know in the comments section if you like both sides. I don't want to make the videos too long, so I figure I'll do one side, keep the content short. This is the finished product. If you want both sides, leave it in the comments section. Any other recommendations, reviews, anything like that, let me know and I'll be sure to get it on there.